Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello and welcome back to Tech World. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Drummond Bank. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Drummond is a formerly independent private bank that is now owned by NatWest Group. Drummond's is authorized as a brand of the Royal Bank of Scotland by the Prudential Regulation Authority. To log into Drummond Bank account, go to your web browser. Any web browser is fine. Simply open it and type in www.drummondbank.com. Press the enter on your keyboard. And as soon as you reach the official website of Drummond, click on the online banking login link at the upper right in the first text field. Enter your username. Now, click on the login button. After you do that, in case you forgot your username, you can click on this link right here and follow the instructions. Clicking on the login button will take you to a next page. Now, in order to log into Drummond a community bank account, you'll need to proceed by typing in a one-time security code. Click on Continue with Security Code, or in case you have typed in the username incorrect, you can click on it, enter a different username and start from the beginning by entering a correct username. Click on the Continue with Security Code. And on the next page, you'll be receiving a call or a text message to complete the login process. If you want to receive a call, then click on this options over here. If you want to receive a text message, then click on it, send a text message to a mobile phone or record. Click on the Continue button and on the next page. If you are a resident of USA or candidate, and click on this circle and enter your mobile number. If you are an international resident, then click on International. Enter the country code in the first field and move on to the next one. Now, enter your phone number in this text field. And after you're done, click on Send Text. As soon as you do that, you'll receive a text message on your mobile number you just entered. By clicking on Send Text, you'll agree to the terms of use. On the next page, you'll need to enter the code that has been received by you and you will be logged into Drummond Community Bank account. That is all for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. Sure to get back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till